These examples come from Polynomial Operations binder notes, adding and subtracting algebraic expressions. The first one we're going to look at is number 1. For number 1, we have the quantity 5x minus 4y plus 2 times the quantity of 6y minus 3x. Even though we have variables and we'll see exponents soon, we're still going to follow our order of operations. Parentheses, exponents, multiply or divide, add or subtract. So I look to see what's inside of my parentheses. Inside my parentheses, I do not have like terms, so I cannot combine them. So to get rid of these parentheses in my second term, I have to distribute my 2 to everything inside my binomial. So I'm going to say 2 times 6y and 2 times negative 3x. We can keep everything from our first group of terms the same. 2 times 6y is 12y. 2 times negative 3x is negative 6x. What I'm going to do now is look for like terms. Like terms have the same variable and the same exponent. Same variable, same exponent. So I'll look at my first term. My first term is 5x. I'll look to see if there are any other terms with just an x, and I see negative 6x. I also have the term negative 4y. I'll look for other terms that also have a y, and I see 12y. So now I'm going to combine my like terms, 5x and negative 6x. 5 plus negative 6 is negative 1. Negative 4 plus 12 is 8. So in simplest form, I'll let my 1 be understood. So negative x plus 8y is our solution. Let's look at number 4 for subtraction. For number 4, I have 2 times the quantity of 3a squared minus 2a plus 1 minus the quantity 5a squared minus 3a plus 3. Again, we need to distribute our 2 into our parentheses. 2 times 3a squared is 6a squared. 2 times negative 2a is negative 4a. 2 times 1 is 2. We have just made a new quantity, so keep this in parentheses. We're going to subtract from this entire quantity 5a squared minus 3a plus 3. It's important that you realize that you're subtracting everything inside this group of or this parentheses. We have to subtract 5a squared. We have to subtract negative 3a, and we have to subtract 3. So let's write that. Keep everything the same in your first parentheses. And it's almost like you are distributing your subtraction sign into your parentheses. We found that helpful in our classes to distribute that subtraction sign. So minus 5a squared minus negative 3a. Minus a negative is the same thing as adding a positive. Minus 3. Just like in example 1, we look for like terms. I have 6a squared and negative 5a squared. I have negative 4a and 3a. 2 and negative 3 are also like terms. So I group together all my terms that are in the square. 6a squared plus negative 5a squared is 1a squared. Negative 4a plus 3a is negative 1a. 2 plus negative 3 is negative 1. Again, I can simplify these because I know that the 1 in front of my variables will be understood. So So my solution is a squared minus a minus 1.